Like, the fact that I haven't posted in 5 years, so sad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annette, and today we're gonna do an easy makeup tutorial. I feel like it's easy. Hopefully you find it beginner friendly. I only use less than 10 products. I feel like anyone, like, y'all can do this. Y'all can do this. So just keep watching. All right guys, so jumping right into the video. Your girl is struggling right now, but I promised that 2025 I was gonna post videos on YouTube, and I'm not letting a weak ass cold stop me. So jumping straight into it, I feel like washing your face before you even start your makeup is gonna make a huge difference. Like, just wash your face. Just wash your face. I'm going with moisturizer. I use a Curology moisturizer. This is I clearly need another one. I actually have another one. I'm just not gonna use it for this tutorial because I'm not going anywhere. Okay, so after your moisturizer is on, the next step would be eyebrows. I already did my eyebrows. There's 1,000 videos on YouTube about eyebrows, and you guys don't need mine. So the next step is primer. The primer that I'm using is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I know y'all see this everywhere, and like it's for a reason. Like, it's really for a reason. Like, this is so good. So once your primer is on, the next step is your foundation. I'm going to use the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And then on the back of my hand, I'm just gonna like dab this a little bit with a sponge. So once I have that on, I like to go in with my Real Technique sponge and just really like work this into the skin. And I feel like this is also a really good technique for beginners because it kind of like goes over your mistakes a little bit, like the areas you didn't really blend that much. So I just go over with what's left on my brush, and I just go over my eyelids. Alright, so foundation is on. The next step is concealer. The concealer that I've been loving, I always used to use the Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer from Nars. The Tarte Creaseless Creamy Concealer is like, it's taking her spot. Sometimes it just helps to put your head down a little bit, make sure that you're not, because if you're like this, you're kind of creasing your eye. So just apply it kind of like your head tilted down so that you don't get no creases, girl. And then I'm gonna go in with the other end of my sponge and just blend this out so there's no like harsh lines on my temples. So once that's blended out, I'm gonna go in with my One Size Ultimate Setting Powder. I just dip the sponge in and just lightly press it in. So this is how we're looking so far. Cute, cute, cute. Let me grab a brush because why don't I have a brush? I have a brush. I'm gonna grab that same One Size powder and just apply it all over my face. I'm gonna just pick a little bit up on my brush. We're already almost done. We're almost done. Okay, so after our face is set, we're gonna go in with bronzer. The bronzer that I'm gonna use is from Milani, and it's in the number 05. Alright, so bronzer is on, and then the next step is just gonna be to line my lips. I probably shouldn't have put lip gloss on, but I had to because I look crazy. Like there was foundation on my lips. It was a lot going on. Okay, so I'm gonna apply my lip liner. Nah, like this Maybelline, I almost fell just now. This lip liner is, get this lip liner and come back and let me know. Let me know, because I have to see somebody be like, nah, that lip liner though, because I'm telling you guys, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, so the lips are done. I'm just gonna put on setting spray. Should put my hair up. I don't have a scrunchie. I don't think I have a scrunchie. Hold on. I don't think I have a scrunchie. Okay. I lied. I have a scrunchie. So, I'm gonna use some setting spray. The setting spray that I'm using is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. I have everything that I used along with the shades that I used in my description box. Alright guys, so that's the finished look. I really hope that you guys like it. I hope that this video is going to be like a video you guys can come back to and really like follow, because I only used like 7 products. Like, y'all could do it. I'm gonna keep posting. Please subscribe. I'm gonna try to post weekly. I'm saying it out loud. I'm going to post weekly. I'm saying it out loud so I can really do it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.